Sorry if I'm late.
No problem. Let's start the tour.
What happens in this room?
Prototyping department. Test components are built here.
Is there anything new to see?
Latest prototype is completed. Would you like to book a session?
What are you?
I'm a fancy bowl you can use everywhere you want.
May I book a session?
Thursday at 10. Shall I confirm?
Is this the meeting room?
Yes, but the meeting room will be occupied until 3 p.m., so we must get out.
So this must be your office.
Access by appointment only. Right now, I'm out somewhere, dancing. Just kidding. Knock on the door.